back from there. Justice Wendlandt, you can come on up here. Okay.
Morning.
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 Morning, everyone.
We really appreciate this enormous crowd that showed up for this ceremony today, and I honestly think it's a little unfortunate that because of the time we're in, and especially with respect to where COVID is at this point in time, that we can't have the more traditional gathering to celebrate and appreciate what this moment is all about. And the flip side of that is it does get to be a little more personal and a little more intimate, and there will always be time at some point to have something a little bigger, if anybody wants to do that, to commemorate and appreciate what this moment's all about. But for those of you who are part of Judge Wendlandt's family, I just want to say thank you for giving her permission to come play in the public sector pond. And to those of you who are part of her professional community, I just want to say how much we appreciate all you've done to support and mentor her along the way. She will be a spectacular member of the SJC, and Lieutenant Governor and I cannot be more pleased and more proud with this nomination and ultimately the concurrence of the Governor's Council. You want to say something?
Sure. Justice Ditka, Justice Nyman, great to see you this morning. Paul Dacier, thank you for your leadership for the JNC. It's a big part of this process. Family, I'm sure you all kind of feel excited today. You've seen your mother come through this journey, and it's a great day for your family. I was thinking on my drive-in today that an engineer graduating from MIT could be anywhere in the world solving problems, and we're pretty lucky to have you here using your critical thinking skills to solve some of the biggest challenges the Commonwealth is facing in the child court, and your love of law come together in a full circle moment for you to really do something that's pretty special in your career. And we're thrilled that you've chosen to do this. You could be doing a lot of different things. We're very grateful. Thank you.
I hope you put some of that technology knowledge to use too.
Yeah.
Would you like to raise your right hand and repeat after me? I state your name.
I, Dalila Argaez Wendlandt,
Do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will bear true faith and allegiance
that I will bear true faith and allegiance
to the Commonwealth of Massachusetts
to the Commonwealth of Massachusetts
and will support the Constitution thereof.
and will support the Constitution thereof.
So help me God.
So help me God.
I state your name.
I, Dalila Argaez Wendlandt,
Do solemnly swear and affirm
do solemnly swear and affirm
that I will faithfully and impartially
that I will faithfully and impartially
discharge and perform
discharge and perform
all the duties incumbent on me
all the duties incumbent on me
as an Associate Justice of the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court,
as an Associate Justice of the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court,
according to the best of my abilities and understanding,
according to the best of my abilities and understanding,
agreeably to the rules and regulations of the Constitution
favorably to the rules and regulations of the Constitution
and the laws of this Commonwealth.
and the laws of this Commonwealth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
I state your name,
I, Dalila Argaez Wendlandt,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
that I will support the Constitution of the United States.
I did not recognize your colleagues in the bench because of their mask. So I apologize. Why don't we make this official over here? You sign first. We used to give these. On the bottom. We used to give these away. Can't do that.
It is a beautiful room, the library here.
It is a beautiful
It is
room.
underutilized.
So, Lieutenant Governor and I have not seen our cabinet in person hardly at all since March. We've done tons and tons of videos and all that stuff, and we finally said, you know what, we want to have at least one cabinet meeting where we actually have everybody in the same place and we can actually look at their face when they're talking to us. So we set this room up for it because it's big enough and everybody was 6 feet apart around the table. And we opened all the windows to make sure there was plenty of ventilation. And we happened to pick the one morning when there was a giant construction project right out here. And it was so loud, it was rattling the windows. And we literally were like, well, we can either close the windows, take a chance, and none of us will see tomorrow, or we just won't hear a word anybody says. And we sort of went with the closing. You want to say anything?
I do want to say one thing,
Okay.
and that is thank you to you, Governor, and to Lieutenant Governor, and to Paul here for supporting me on this journey, in a specific little piece of it. I want to say thank you to Justices Karyn and Judicial for supporting me for the last 3.5 years and making sure that I understand the finer points of criminal law. I want to thank my friend Becky and Andrew Kupinski, who went with me to MIT and has been following me from the University of Illinois to MIT to Stanford, and as a result has become my best friend. And then I want to thank my daughter Cora, my son John, my daughter Elise, and my husband Jeff, without whom I could not possibly be here today. So thank you all very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Governor.
All the best.
Thank you. Can we do a picture here?
Go on, nice holiday.
Let's do a picture.
Okay.
One you hold, and then we'll just do another.
I'm smiling anymore.
That's right.
Thank you for that. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Somebody needs officially to hold this.
That is,
Is it? We can, it's yours.
yes, that's yours.
All right.
You
Thank
have
you.
it.
All right.
Thank you so much. Enjoy everybody together. Yes, I think we'll be watching you.
Yes,
Next
well,
week?
I hope to do you proud. Yes, Monday.
Monday, congratulations, everybody.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. You call,
Yes.